Hi guys, my name is Yomara. So I'm going to be showing you guys 4 super fun, super easy, cool DIY Father's Day gift ideas. Stay tuned. Alright, so for the first one, you will be needing a mouse pad, some iron-on material, whether it be already pre-made or just the material so you actually can do it with your Cricut, and some parchment paper and an iron, or a easy press if you have it. So first things first, you want to create the actual image that you want. So I already had a font downloaded that is actually an image. So I'm going to go ahead and look for that. It's for Barcelona. I'm going to be making my husband a mouse pad. So I just gotta find which one it is. I think it's F, but we'll try. So A, B, C, D, E, F. Yep, so it's F. I'm gonna go ahead and delete all the other ones, and we're gonna go ahead and take this and make it an image. So I already had the image done, so I'm just gonna go ahead and look for it and click on Customize. I want to replace because I don't need the other one. It's the same, I just added Bobby established in 2015 with a pretty font. So we're gonna go ahead and make it. You're just gonna look at the measurements, make sure that they are gonna fit inside what you're gonna put it in. My mouse pad is about 8 by 8 or so it's a pretty good size. So we'll go ahead and click continue and make sure it's connected. Cool. So now the iron-on that my husband selected is this chromey color. This one is specifically made by Cricut. Just like that. So we will go ahead and place our trimmed piece on the mat. Make sure that this matte side is what's up and the shiny piece down. And then in your design space, you just want to make sure that you select for mirror. That way the actual image will come out right. So we will go ahead and open up the machine. Get out any bubbles that it may have, so you can use a squeegee if you have it, or a credit card, something that'll get any bubbles out. So we'll get all of those out. And then once we are done, we'll go ahead and place it in the machine. I'm going to place it inside these little side thingies, and then I want to insert it. And then make sure that the dowel is set for iron-on. Just different options, but you want iron-on for this one. And then we'll just click the flashing Cricut sign and let her rip. Alright, it's all set. I'm going to go ahead and take it out of the machine. So we'll go ahead and click the button to get it out. And now we're just going to go ahead and weed out any excess. All done. So as you can see, we weeded out any excess and we left the actual image. So we'll take it out so you can actually see it right side up. So there it is. So now we're going to go ahead and place this on what we want. In my case, it's going to be this mouse pad. So you're just going to center it, make it be proportioned, so make sure that it's centered properly. In my case, I want to also make sure that because it has a word, it's completely straight. And that's really it. Now what we'll do is we will actually be ironing it. We need some parchment paper for this. Go grab that. So really this stuff you can find it anywhere, Walmart, the dollar store, anywhere you can find kitchen stuff. So what we'll do is we're going to cut a piece and place it on there to iron it on. So just want to make sure to have your iron set on no steam. Mine is set at 3 just because that's the hottest we can put it without steam. So all set after a few minutes, and we're just going to go ahead and peel. And like I said, super simple. You can find your pre-made iron-ons at any craft store. I just decided to make mine, And voila, here we go. A super simple Father's Day gift that he can take to the office or just at home for staff. Alright guys, so for this next one is more of a DIY. You don't really need the Cricut at all. I'm going to be using the Cricut because I'm going to be cutting out some letters with it, but if you don't have it, it's fine because you can always either buy the pre-made letters and stickers, or if you have cardboard or post-it board or cardstock, you can cut out the letters all on your own. I would suggest using a heavier type of paper just because of the material it's going to be on the back. You will also be needing some Mod Podge, a heavy type of glue, so I'm using the E6000, either Crazy Glue, Gorilla Glue, anything like that will work. You will also need something to apply these glues with, the nuts and bolts, and then either a metal or wooden plank or a picture frame. I'm going to be using a chalkboard. This thing cost me like $1 at Walmart, so super affordable. And I mean, really anything that can hold a more heavier set of things will work. So here we go. So I outlined the shape of the heart that I wanted, and now we're just going to fill it in with the Mod Podge. So I'm just painting it out with the paintbrush here. This is just to make the surface tacky or sticky. The actual nuts and bolts and screws are going to be glued with the stronger glue, so the E6000 or the super glue or the Gorilla Glue, whatever you prefer to use. In this case, I'm just using the E6000. So once we have the actual image that we want, we are going to put some more Mod Podge on it. I kind of exaggerated on this and went way hard on it, so usually this stuff you only have to leave it dry for 10 to 15 minutes or 20 minutes. I ended up having to leave it dry the rest of the night, but look how pretty it ended up. Just glued on the letters that I had cut out. Like I said, you can stickers or cut them out yourself. So for the next project, you're going to need some bleach, a spray bottle, some painter's tape or stencil, and then either a pre-made iron-on or something that you can make one with. So I kind of just took the painter's tape and made some geometric things, and I placed a spot for where I wanted to put the iron on, and watch the magic happen before your eyes. I'm just gonna spray. I love the fact that there's like drips, so I'm just gonna let that happen a lot more, and I want to make sure to get the whole shirt, depending on how perfectionist you are. I mean, mine is kind of crooked. That's okay. I wanted the shirt to kind of be a little crooked and let those drops on, and then depending on how bleached out you want it to be is how much you're going to spray it. So really it's going to be all up to you. So once you're done that, you'll basically wet it because you want to get that excess bleach out and let it dry. I let mine dry overnight. Yeah, it was really a key day, so I had to let it dry overnight. So we'll go ahead and iron the actual spot where we'll be placing the iron-on on. The specific iron-on that I'll be using for this shirt is called Easy Weed Adhesive. It's basically transparent and sticky. So just like we did the mouse pad at the beginning of the video, go ahead and get that ironed on, iron it for a few minutes until it is ready, and then we will peel. So like you see, it's transparent. What we'll be doing is, since this is a little bit stickier, we will be placing some heat transfer foil. So So we'll go ahead and place it where we want it. And for this, we will not need the parchment paper. We will just iron on directly. This one we'll need to iron on for a while. With the iron, I was at least about 5 minutes on there. So just have to go ahead and iron it out. And then once it's cooled down, that's when you want to peel. And I just love the way the actual foil ended up looking. So, I mean, there's a lot of excess foil, so I'm gonna end up using that for something else, but doesn't it look so cool? Anyway, there you go. So, as you can see, it is done. Voila! I loved it. Super simple, cute, fashionable. And now for this one, really it is just a regular black tee, and I decided to do a daddy and son shirt. So I'm doing my son's shirt first, and really same process as the mouse pad. Just iron that on. Just want to make sure that it is on straight. Now we'll just peel, really. Nothing, no rocket science to that. They are Legend and Legacy. So daddy's got Legend and son's gonna be Legacy. I think they turned out great. I absolutely love these shirts. So did my husband. Definitely super easy, super cute. So there you go, guys. Super easy and fun Father's Day gift ideas that you can make all on your own for your loved father. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for more. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that thumbs up button. See you guys later.